Kuya, 100 pesos or mystery gift?
Mystery gift.
Mystery gift. Pero before that, finish this song muna. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And a happy birthday. Ay, joke nga pala. And a happy New Year.
Yeah. Dahil dyan, kuya, you get Merry Christmas. Oh, yeah. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jingle all the way.
Bro, congratulations. Nag-guess mo yung tamang lyrics. Merry Christmas, bro.
Thank you po.
Yes, sir.
Whenever I see.
Boys and girls, selling lanterns on the street.
Okay. Pwede na. Ready na ba kayo sa Christmas?
Ready na.
Merry Christmas, guys. First time nyo ba ito nakita yung package?
First time.
Perfect for gifting.
Perfect for gifting, relationship, and all.
Para sa girlfriend.
Para.
Uy.
All I want for Christmas is you. Sino yun na yun? Sino yun? Bicol.
Ay.
Can't say, can't say. Lagay mo sa special summon mo sa Bicol. Shoutout sa'yo.
Kaya susulat mo dito to my special song.
Pero first yung name niya yung susulat.
Ay.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Dahil dyan, may dare kami sa'yo. Can you say Merry Christmas sa random people?
Sige.
Go yan, pwede.
Sige. Uy, bro. Merry Christmas, bro. Merry Christmas.
Dahil dyan,
Merry Christmas. So kayo, sino bibigyan nun ng Eminem's Christmas song?
yes sir, tag nyo na kung sino bibigyan mo.
Perfect for gifting this Christmas. May space pa para sa pangalan ng loved ones nyo.
Kung gusto nyo ibigay sa crush mo. Uy.
Yung special someone.
Alright guys, bye-bye.